mother. These 18 candles resemble 18 lights that will serve as a guidance to the debutante as she makes her transition to the status of a full-grown woman. To start with, may we call on Hazel Lucas, a family friend.
Sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo. Huwag mo kakalimutan na always pray kasi hindi ka papabayaan ni God. At saka alam ko lang maganda yung plano niya para sa'yo.
Wait lang. Next is Zahia Elvana, a family friend.
But something I just knew that
Good then. Ano matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo? Thank you very much. Next is Anchor Marie Gilao, a friend from Roosevelt College, Cubao.
that I might have lost you forever.
Happy birthday. Una sa lahat, thank you kasi naging mabait ng kaibigan sa akin. Kahit nung high school ang tayo friends. Mag-aaral ka ng mabuti. Huwag mong tutularan si Roma. Kung ano ka boyfriend, mag-aaral ka ng mabuti para magpapalipin. I love you.
Next is Luis Mosqueda, a friend from Roosevelt College, Cubao.
Hi, Mimi. Yun. Naalala ko pa talaga, nung nakita na kilala. Nung grade 2. Ikaw yung, nung grade 2, classmates tayo dun. Tapos, ayun. Pero hindi tayo friends. Naging friends na tayo nung high school. Tapos, wala yung ilaw. Anyway. Thank you dahil naging friend kita. Tapos nung high school, naalala ko may sakit ako. Tapos may long test sa physics. Ikaw yung nag-alaga sa akin kahit nanginginig na ako sa lagnat. Tapos, masaya ako kasi nakuha 100 ako sa physics na din. Ayun. Thank you for everything and thanks for being a good friend.
Thank you very much. Next is
Miss Ana Igaya, a friend from University of Leeds.
Happy birthday. Ayun, stay fit. Tsaka, good luck sa studies. Boyfriend. Ayun, God bless.
Thank you very much. Next is Miss Aisha Reyes, a friend from University of Leeds.
Of that show, smiling in the sun with another man. I won't sleep on there, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
Camille, first and foremost, happy birthday. You're now an adult. We welcome you. Sana hindi ito ako yung birthday na mapuntahan ko. Ang wish ko lang is that when I come home after a few years, you're a successful doctor and you're very happy at how things are coming for you. Thank you for being such a good and accepting friend. Again, happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Next
This
is
is Alexandra Marta, a friend from University of Phoenix.
She could see from my face that I was fucking high, and I don't think that I'll see her again. But we shared a moment that would last till the end.
happy birthday.
So my wish for you is to have good health and throughout your life. And sana maging successful ka sa studies, sa career, and sa personal life.
Thank you very much. Next is Heidi Agustan. Happy birthday, Nick.
Happy birthday, me. Actually, I'm so excited. Excited guys sa birthday mo. Tsaka iiyak ako kasi nung single pa ako, I had the time to visit Camille. And I'm so proud of you kasi ako pala yung pinsan niya sa mga, auntie mo ako sa mother's side. So, hindi man kami nakarating lahat. Pero kung sa Baguio ito, ang dami-daming nakarating. And I'm just so happy to see your friends kasi they're all so cool and mukha sila makitino. Just like you. I'm just kidding. It's so great na you're with this kind of friends. Obviously, mababait kayong lahat. Sana, I wish na yung kagandahan mo, lalo kung magdagan yung wisdom mo. Kasi the world is full of not all good things are in this world. Sana you will always be guided by wisdom and faith. And you're always a good model. Hindi lang sa relatives mo dito pati sa Baguio. They know that you're very diligent and obedient child. So always pray for wisdom. Thank you.
Next is Miss Mary Odyssey Pascual.
Happy birthday, Camille. First of all, alam naman namin na you're already blessed with everything that a girl can ask for. So, all I can wish for you on your birthday is more of everything, more happiness, more blessings to come. And don't forget to thank Him for all the blessings na dumating sa life mo. And also, in return, be a blessing to other people. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Next is Miss Charmaine Catalan.
Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sana magpatuloy ka ng pag-aaral. Saka matapos yung pag-aaral.
Thank you. Next is Mrs. Teresita Catalan.
sana makatapos sila ng pag-aaral. At sana matuloy ang naano mong
Nakalimutan. Mag-research.
kurso. Sana maging pagdating ng araw maging family doctor ka namin. Yun lang.
Thank you very much. Next is Miss Next is Attorney Mary Joy Bragado.
Happy birthday, Camille. Now that you're 18, you are legal, and it comes with responsibilities also, and it also comes with independence. But you should always be guided by your parents, and yung words of wisdom nila, you must always listen to it, and of course, I wish you all the happiness in life. May you fulfill your heart's desires, and may all of your dreams come true. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Miss Iron Time Abisamis.
May alam ba yung pagiging maganda, parang circular. Kasi nasa dagulang yan. So ayun, happy 18th birthday. May you fulfill all your heart's desires and dreams. May you continue to be an inspiration to others. Stay smart and beautiful.
Thank you very much. Next is Miss Arian Lay Abisamis.
Wait, ngayon pala. Hi, Mi. Wala akong na-prepare kasi na speech tsaka message para sa'yo. Pero may song akong pinipin. Nahiya ako.
Patay, kumanta pa.
Nahiya ako actually kasi malapit na ako. Quiet naman ako. Ito na. Papasok. Let the sunshine to shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took a note, I must stick it out till the end. Now it's raining more than ever. Know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ayun, happy birthday.
Next is Miss Anne Margaret Aquino.
Hi, May. Happy birthday. I can't ask for anything. Yung wisdom mo nandiyan na yan, gamitin mo na lang sa tamang bagay, sa tamang panahon, sa tamang timing. Mag-thank you ako kasi kung may chance na makapag-usap tayo at makapag-verbalize ako ng nararamdaman ko. You're always there for me. Tayo magpipinsan stick lang tayo together Alam mo yan. Kung sino may kailangan sa atin sa isa't isa, nandito lang tayo parate. Tsaka, kung may problem ka or anything, you can count on me at dito lang ako para sa pag naging ate-ani mo ko kung hindi mo rin ako naaasahan. So, challenge sa life, faith lang yan. Tatagal mo lang yung faith mo, ano man yung dumating sa buhay mo, kakayanin mo yan. Ibigay mo lang sa Diyos. Happy birthday at tandaan mo, mahal na mahal kita.
Next is Mrs. Marivic Aquino.
Anong ibig sabihin nito? Mi, ano to? Kandila. Anong meron ang kandila? Ha? Wax. Ano pa? Ano pa? Apoy. Anong binibigay ng apoy?
Luson.
Sunog pag pinabayaan. Okay, Mi. So, apoy, may init. So, alam mo na ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo, lagi na init. Ano pa? Okay. So, apoy ito. At the same time, nagbibigay siya ng light, di ba? So, I'm always here. Just call my name and I'll be there. Happy birthday.
Next is Mrs. Olga Disamis.
Happy birthday. May this life guide you in the right path. Never pass the day. A life that will lead you to be successful in life and to reach the riches of the Almighty. Maging mabait na bata, although mabait ka talaga, alam namin yan. Pero may minsan, sana unawain mo mga magulang. Kasi kami mga magulang, hindi lahat ng pagkakataon. Tama kami. May time na nagkakamali kami. Admitted yan. Pero yung pagkakamali yun, naway magsilbi sa'yo, isang pagsubok or hindi pagsubok, isang ma-analyze mo na ang magulang nagkakamali man, nandito pa rin, mahal na mahal ka. Happy birthday!
Last but not the least, Mrs. Glenda Lanera.
Siyempre, anak, birthday. Ano lang, good health lang. Yung lagi, para hindi ako naninervyos. Yun lang, anak, happy birthday.
So, one by one.
Ladies, thank you very much for your beautiful messages to our debutants. And now let's give the floor to Camille Teo for any speech or any message that you want to impart to us.
Retorika. Okay. So, first and foremost, sa lahat na nagpunta dito, thank you very much. Thank you for giving me part of your time. First of all, thank you kay Mommy tsaka kay Daddy. I never really asked ng ganitong klaseng celebration, but it was fun and memorable, so thank you very, very much. Si Martin, kahit hindi kami ganun kadalas magkasundo po. Thank you sa lahat. High school friends, even though we don't see each other that often, thank you for always remembering me, and thank you for putting up with me nung 4 years of high school. Sino nagreklamo? Mabala siya. Tsaka, yung friends ko sa UE, ayan. Alam niyo naman guys, everyday, ilang oras tayo magkakasama. 5 days a week, from 7 a.m. hanggang 6 o'clock magkakasama tayo.